in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you is how to improve your game performance on your ASUS laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings, best result, come back with settings, go ahead and open that up. Select system on the left panel, and then on the right side, select display. And then scrolling down underneath related settings, select graphics, and then where it says optimization for windowed games, go ahead and toggle that to the right to enable, and that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.